It's Manly Jolt here, bringing you some gameplay of some private trick shotting with Morphic Shark. Sorry about that. Morphic Dragon. And yeah, here we go. This is gonna keep on fast forwarding that. Keep on. Keep on. I tried to go for the suicide. Here we go. Here we go. I think this is it. Nope. See it much. Alright. Fast forward it. Keep on fast forwarding. Fast forward it. 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 Yep. Suck. Uh-huh. And I'll just play right here. Here we go. Almost hit that. I tried to go for, no scope. And why did I just rewind it? Here you go. Again, try to get it for the no scope, and yeah. Nope. Almost there, guys. Don't worry. I know this video might be long, but whatever. There you go. I hit that. Let's see that. Look at this. This is pretty amazing, guys. And this. What? Oh yeah, guys. Sorry about that.